Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get these pretty colors here. We're going to call them lipsticks, lip glosses. It really doesn't matter, but I'm just going to call them lipsticks because they are super matte and shimmery, and you can use them almost any other day, and they're very hydrating. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so we're going to get started. I am going to go ahead and use this neutral palette since I tend to stay on that side of the colors. You're also going to need some Vaseline. This is going to serve as a base for our lipsticks. And you're going to also need some lip gloss. I chose this clear lip gloss. Really, you can choose anyone. You're also going to need a mixer and something to put your lipsticks in for storage. Alright, we're going to go ahead and grab a generous amount of the Vaseline. You don't want to grab too much, and you also don't want to grab too little. So this is what it should look like. Go ahead and pour some lip gloss inside your container, and also make sure not to add too much. Here I'm going to be trying out this brown. This brown was calling my name. I think I can do something really nice with this brown here, and I tend to stay on the natural colors, neutrals, nudes. This will be perfect. Alright, so you're gonna go ahead and mix that together and make sure you get a smooth consistency. You want to make sure everything is mixed in well, so that way it's a smooth consistency when you use it on your lips. Alright, let's see what this one comes out to. Wow, oh my god, I really like this color. This is a really nice brown. And those are the little like clumps that you don't want to have, so just make sure you mix it well. And oh my god, I really like this color. It's really nice. It's something I would use probably almost any day. It's like a nude. I really like it. It's really light. I thought it was going to be darker, but it's actually really nice. Now we're going to go ahead and try this color here. This is a purple color. I've never owned a purple shade, so I'm just gonna make my own. So again, you know the process, just go ahead and mix well. I'm gonna mix this one a lot more because the first one came out a little clumpy, and we don't want it to be clumpy. We want it to be smooth. So just go ahead and mix. Don't be afraid. You don't have to be perfect. Just make sure you add the same amounts of lip gloss and Vaseline so you can get, oh my god, look at this color, guys. This isn't even I like this color. Like, I would wear this color, but I would probably wear it with something to match the purple. So something probably purple. I love it. Now we're gonna go ahead and go with the lighter neutral. This is one of the colors that I tried to stick to because I don't like to wear too much color. I'm barely introducing myself to experimenting with colors. So we're gonna go ahead and choose this color here and see what we can do. So just go ahead, you know the drill, mix. Wow, this color almost matches my skin tone. And what I like about it, oh my god, I love it. What I like about it is that it's so natural and just so pretty. And now we're gonna go ahead and go with a shimmer. This is gonna be like a shine, like a glitter. It's like a glitter base. So we're gonna go ahead and mix that, and let's see what we can come out with. This is actually a lot smoother without any clumps. Oh my gosh, I love this color, guys. This is like a gold. It came out like a gold. I want to see how this color looks. Wow, I love this color, guys. I know I'm saying I love this color, guys, but I really do. And I would really wear them. And I hope you guys try them. Now we're going to go ahead and go with the pink shimmer. I thought it was easier to mix. I don't know what's in the color. I think it's the glitter, but it's a lot smoother to get to a nice base. Oh my god. I'm sorry, guys. I was feeling really sneezy. But yeah, I'm excited to try this color on. Wow, that's a really, really pretty pink. And it's really nice and shimmery. But let's see how it looks on my lips. So this color was really nice. I like the previous gold before. But it's nice. Like, I would still wear it. Now we're going to go with the dark velvet shimmer. More on like the, I guess, burgundy color, but let's see what we can come out with, and let's trust the process. So I know you guys are gonna comment on my nails. If you guys want to see a video, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you guys want to see my nails. I'll show you guys how to do these. I like the way the color's looking. The consistency is like really, really smooth. That's nice. That's really, really nice. It goes so well with. Alright, y'all, so that was it for the video. I hope you guys really enjoy these colors, and I hope you guys really try them at home. And let me know what you guys would like to see in the next video. Bye!